Okay, here's the first root stoppage, and then we push past that. Here's second root intrusion. Push back past that. That's toilet paper, that white stuff. And then you can see a third right there. The camera's probably going to be blocked off now because of that toilet paper. But as you can see, the toilet paper getting caught on those roots. That's how stoppages begin. So we got 3 we got to deal with today. So first run with the Reaper. See what kind of damage we did on these roots. Yeah, they're not there anymore at all. They were at 15 feet. Wow. There's a little bit right there. I'll put the Warthog down. You can see it really popped that open pretty well. Okay, so we'll clean the rest up. There's the remnants of the roots right there. So we'll clean the rest up with this nozzle right here. This one spins, and the Reaper is designed to, it shoots straight out, so they kind of serve different purposes. But this is the end-all be-all right here. All right, here are the results after using the Warthog. Someone's taking a shower. You can see all the steam. But the root intrusion began at 15 feet. There is nothing. There's a little bit sticking out right there. I'll probably stick it back in and clean it up. That's what she said. Keep going. Yeah, that's really clear. There's nothing. That was one of the points you can see right there. Push all the way down. You can see some of the roots right there. Need to be washed down. Try to push them down with the camera.